Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to see backup photos in Google Photos. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Now, if you have Google Photos backing up all of the photos in your gallery and videos, all of that stuff. If you want to see exactly what is in Google, what has been backed up, I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's hop into the Google Photos app here. And I'm just going to tap on my profile icon at the top right. Now I'm going to tap on Photos settings at the very bottom, and I want to check this backup, so I'm going to tap on that. So you can see backup is turned on, and you can see which Gmail account that it is backing up all these photos, but it doesn't necessarily tell me exactly which photos are backed up. If you want to see all of them, all I have to do is hop out of here, and I'm going to open up a web browser. Now I'm just going to go to photos.google.com and hit go. Now, the key here is that you want to make sure that you're logged into the correct Gmail account, that you want to access all of those photos that were backed up. So you can see I can tap the three lines at the top left and at the top right here. It'll show me my little profile icon indicating which account that I'm logged into. But here I can go through and scroll through all of these different photos that are on my Google Photos. Again, you can switch between different Gmail accounts if you have multiple accounts, because you might have photos associated with different Gmail accounts. So that's basically how you can see backup photos in Google Photos. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.